Good day everyone, welcome back to another Dope, and today I'm traveling, so I decided to show you guys what's in my travel bag or my sling today. As always, I'm traveling with Alpaka. This is a really good sling, has a bunch of cool features. I love using these Alpaka slings whenever I travel. It's fully adjustable, as you can see, and the strap is extremely adjustable. You have the Alpaka branding on the back, you have a little D-ring on this side over here. I added this over here, which is a little clip to hold my water bottle or whatever the case might be is. And you also have a quick USB-C port if you want to plug in. Let's say if I have a battery pack inside of this, I can simply plug it in via USB-C directly from inside the bag. So I'm just going to go into the bag so you can see what I carry with me whenever I travel. Well, for this particular trip, what I actually carry with me. It's always good to keep juice, so this is what I use to recharge. This is a Asus 45-watt fast charger. This is so well built, as you can see, the Asus branding. It's very durable, as you can see, well built. This is a 45-watt fast charger, so this allows me to plug in if I have to recharge my device on devices quickly. If it can't be recharged wirelessly, I plug it in via that. Next up, what else we got in here? I got this right here. So as you can see, I have a little bit of a black and orange theme going on. I have the watch black and orange, the bag inside is black and orange, and this is my gimbal from Hohem. This is a Hohem iSteady V3 gimbal. The good part about this, it's built very well. It has everything that you could possibly need in a gimbal. As you can see, has a tripod, it has complete foldability and adjustability, and it also has an extendable neck that is also adjustable. And what's also great about this, let me pop this back in. What's also great about this, it has a remote control that would allow me to control the gimbal once I have it all set up. And what's also really good about this little piece right here is an AI tracker. So when you turn it on, you can simply use this to track your movements left, right, by giving it various hand signals. So it's a great gimbal for whenever you travel because of how compact it is and how easy it is to use and how easy it is to move around with. This is a Hohem iSteady gimbal. I love taking this with me whenever I'm traveling. All right, next up, speaking about cameras, I have this right here. This is a quick action camera. The good part about this, it, as you see, attaches via magnets. So this is what I use if I want to get that POV shot. I don't want to use my phone. I don't want to take out a gimbal. I simply toss this around my neck. This is adjustable. So I simply toss this around my neck. I slide this under my shirt, and whenever I'm ready, I simply attach it via magnets. So this is a quick action camera to get those nice POV shots. This does connect via app. This does have the ability to recharge via USB-C. As you can see, I can simply plug in the USB-C port right there, and this does hold a micro SD card inside right over here. And this is also waterproof seal. It comes with tons of accessories. Great miniature camera if you want to get those POV shots or those action shots. All right, what else do I have in here? I have this. This is the Mano T5 wireless microphone, which charges via USB-C. And as a matter of fact, I'm actually using this right now. So I have the receiver, I believe, plugged into my phone, and this is the microphone right over here. So the microphone, this also attaches via magnets. So this would go on the underside of your shirt. This would go on the top side of the shirt, and simply attach it via magnets like this. This has all types of great built-in features with respect to the app. You have AI, you have voice clear, you have noise reduction, you have wind reduction, and it comes in this nice case. It gives you a clear reading with respect to how much charge you have. It's a great wireless lava mic if you're vlogging, if you're traveling, and you want to get that good audio. The range of this is up to 300 meters, so that means you can walk away far and get that nice clean audio that you're looking for. As a matter of fact, as I said, I'm using this microphone right now. What else we have in here? All right. Whenever I'm traveling, I always like to take this with me. This is the autocast wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapters. So let's say if I decide to rent a car and the car has Apple CarPlay but is only plug-in via hardwire, if I want to go wireless, I take this with me, I plug this in to whatever port they use, either USB-A or USB-C. I do have the USB-C adapter. I just plug this in and it converts the car from hardwire to wireless Apple CarPlay. All I have to do is simply connect this. It's already pre-connected to my phone, so once I plug it in, it connects, giving me wireless Apple CarPlay on the move. It's a real good tool to have, a really good piece of tech to have whenever you're traveling, especially if you like wireless Apple CarPlay. All right, anything else on this? Just double checking. All right, nothing else in here. So as I said before, this cable, what I would normally do, if I do decide to put a battery pack in here, I plug in the battery to this and I can plug in whatever device right here, so I don't have to keep opening the bag to get a recharge. I simply plug this in to my battery and I simply plug in my device right here, allow me to recharge without having to open the bag all the way up. All right, and on the back side, inside of here, is where I keep not one, but two earbuds. Let me explain why. So these, this is a Soundcore AeroFit. These are open ear earbuds. So the good part about these, while I'm walking around, let's say I'm walking around outdoor, but I want to hear my music, want to hear whatever, want to hear my phone calls, but don't want to block the ambient sound from coming into my ear, I could walk around using these. These are the Soundcore AeroFit. As you see, they're extremely slim. This is your battery pack right over here. This goes around your ear and this hovers right over your ear canal. It doesn't block your ear canal, so you could hear all the sound that's around you. So these are the Soundcore AeroFit. Great pair of earbuds. And this right here is the CMF Buds 2A. So these are in-ear earbuds. So if I want to actually zone out and block whatever noise is around me, I have these with me. So these are the CMF Bud 2A earbuds. So this is open ear, allowing me to hear my ambient surrounding. This is if I want to zone off a little bit more and block whatever sound that's around me completely. What I have in here, all right? Speaking about power banks, I always keep a wireless power bank with me. This is a Taurus, I believe 5,000 milliamp hour wireless power bank. This does recharge via USB-A. You have your MagSafe ear right over here. Your power button is here. Once you press your power button, it shows you just how much charge you have right here, so you can see just how much juice you have. And it's a real good slim power bank to take with you whenever you're moving around. This is a Taurus MagSafe power bank. What I could do, or what I have done with this, so let's say if I don't want to charge wirelessly, but I want to charge via hardwire, I simply attach this in here, plugging it in, tossing it back inside the bag, and plug in whatever device I want right over here. If I wanted to do that, that's always an option with this power bank. Again, the Taurus wireless power bank. All right, going back, and we have this right over here. Whenever I'm traveling, I always take with me an RFID protected wallet. This is a Groove Life RFID protected forged carbon fiber face wallet. It has a money clip. It has a quick access slide out for all of your cards, right, as you see, and it has a locking mechanism. So regardless of how much I shake this, it's not going to come out because it locks the cards into place. It's a real good RFID wallet for whenever you're traveling. Good build quality. As you can see, it has the Groove Life branding here, Groove Life branding there. It's a real good carbon fiber wallet for whenever you're traveling. And lastly, my car keys. My car keys are attached to a quick release tab that comes with the bag. So this is a quick release tab. As you see, I just simply pull it and it comes off. Why I keep this in here and on this tab is obviously I don't want to lose my car keys, and obviously, so this side here is the side that rests against your body. So this to me is the safer side. So on top of it being the side that rests against your body, the zip mechanism kind of tucks away, giving a little bit extra security. So this side, the side that rests against my body, is the side that holds my car keys, the side that holds my wallet, and holds more of my expensive devices on me. So my expensive devices are the ones I put more on the body side, And as I move down the bag, my least important or expensive devices are what I keep in the middle or the front of the bag. So there's a quick video to show you what I've been traveling with over the last couple of days. This is just my quick travel bag. I always use this. Oh, and I forgot. Whenever I travel, I like to keep a nice smartwatch with me. So the watch I'm using, as always, is a CMF Watch Pro 2. There's a new one coming out, the Watch Pro 3. I should be getting that shortly, so we take a look at that in the near future. So if you guys are looking for good travel accessories, I gotta highly recommend all of these, even down to this little device. Trust me, wireless Apple CarPlay makes a big difference whenever you're traveling. A gimbal is good just to get that nice steady shot, and being hands-free with the AI Smart Tech is great to have. The lava microphone, giving you a good audio, always good to have. And just having an additional camera if you want to go POV hands-free, always good to have. And as always, this fast charger, this is able to charge all of these USB-C devices quickly and easily for me on the move. So again, this is just my travel accessories. You gotta admit, these are pretty dope. Until next time, see you guys.